Hi traders and welcome to the Commodity Report. I'm your host Paul. Today is Wednesday, June 7th, and in this video I want to look at the commodities of natural gas, oil, copper, gold, and silver. So let's start. All right, looking at natural gas, this is the futures contract, looking at the 1 hour chart. So like I said in my video yesterday, I thought we'd get some answers today, and for me, I think we got what I needed to see. So, after this big expanding flat over here, need 5 waves. So I see this just as a 1, 2, 3 move down. And then, yesterday I said this 2317 level either has to be defended or broken to give us some clarity. So they broke it. So we could take that line out. That doesn't mean anything anymore. And what I see is they're making like a leading diagonal, I think. 1, 3 waves to there, 2, made 3 up to there, and then they made a 3 wave correction down, but then they just came late in the day today and just broke that level that they set today. So just barely wicked. So this 5th wave might not even be done, but they did just break the 3rd wave literally by 1 tick. So that's enough to tell me that that we got 5 waves in a leading diagonal format. And this 5th wave, like I said, it might not be done. They might, tomorrow, probably during the London session, might push it up just a little bit more. But what I would expect then is, because we need 5 waves, and so we just have this 3 wave move. I think that's going to be one. You're going to have this 5 wave move, give you some type of correction then, and then still go back up and break that high of 5 one more time, and that'll be 2. And at this point, that's where I'll be looking to go short then, because like I said, we need 5 waves, and so I think that'll be 1, 2, come break this low in some fashion in 3 waves for a 3, and then go back up for 4, and then still one more wave down for 5. So going to be in a downward trend still for I believe quite some time, because this 2's got to finish, and then 3's going to take a while. So it's just going to really take some time. So we can't give any targets, but obviously we're getting close to that magical 2 level, so I would assume that they'll be targeting under that somewhere. All right, so that's a quick update on what I see now on natural gas. Oil. All right, so oil is still kind of unpredictable here. There's 2 ways. So we had that spike on Sunday, when the futures market opened Sunday night. Got the spike up above that previous high. That was based on OPEC. So we still have this 1, 2, 3 wave move there, and then we have a 1, 2, 3 wave move here, and then we got that move. So like that could be all the correction. I would have expected that, or I would have thought that they would have come up here if that's going to be the high. So we still don't know, because then when we drill into like the 1 hour now, so after this high that they made, all we have is a 1, 2, and then 5 wave move down for 3. And then so far, it looks like we just have like a 1, 2, 3 wave move, but it's hard to tell if this is even done over here. So what I'm looking for is if this area holds and then they break, because then it looks like this could be like a leading diagonal. because it, looks like you got 1, 2, 3 there, and then maybe like a 1, 2, 3 here. Little running flat right here for 3. So if they come down into here in 3 ways and this area kind of holds, and then they go back up and break this 73.19 that they set today, it'll look like that's to me like a leading diagonal, and then they'll get a correction and then probably still more up. And so, and then that 75 level really comes into play, because if this is a leading diagonal, I mean, not unless they like just barely go above it and then start going down, like this 3-wave move down, that could either be the start, so it could be going down in a diagonal format, so this could be 1, or this could be just a correction. They could have like 1 up to there, and that's 2, and now we're going up for 3, or this is 1, and they're just kind of correcting, gonna get real close, and then pull the rug and then drop it. So we still don't know. It seems like we need one of these levels to get broken, 70 or 75, because it right now it for me it's a coin flip on what direction they're gonna go. We got 3 down, and so far we just have 3, but that could easily, if they break 73, then that's going to be probably a leading diagonal. So it's still going to, we need more waves to tell us what they're doing here. All right, copper. So copper looks like, I've been saying that this is either a WXYXZ, or this could be a leading diagonal. We won't know for some time. And so I wanted the price to come into this range, 369 to 379. And then it should drop down for this last leg. And so far, it looks like it might be ready. Like it got this big running flat in the middle here, so it's 1, 2, but I just don't know that if this is done yet, because it looks like there's just 1, 2, 3 wave. There needs to be 5 waves over here, and it could be that there's like a little running flat right in here too. Like there's this little thing. So like there still might be 1 more up to break this 381 level, because we need 5 waves, so that would make more sense to me. Get like 5 waves. Maybe this will be an ending diagonal, or who knows what. But if they come up 1 more time and break that, and then I'd be looking for copper to drop. So it's starting to come down. So like this almost here looks like another running flat, which means then copper, could be going up for a while for a 5th wave. So that could be 1, 2, and then they'll come up, break that, 3, and then some 4, and then still go up for 5. So I think copper is just going to be kind of range bound a little bit here, like chopping around up in this range. But I'm still expecting copper 1 more leg lower to break the low. All right, gold. So gold, I was thinking that this was an expanding flat here, right here, and then, oops, wrong line, and then down here. But when I re-look at this wave up here, it almost looks like it's just a big ending diagonal. And so I see this now being just like a 1, 2, and then 3 waves up to here, ending diagonal. So it really doesn't change my forecast on what I see. So I think that was probably 1, and we're in the 5th wave. And so now it's correcting, and I would expect it to come down in 3 waves. And if they, and it looks like it's doing a diagonal, you know, you got like a whole bunch of just three waves, you know, 1, 2, 3, I think that's 2, I think this was 3, I think that was 4, and then they came, and now it's 1, 2, and then now I think they got to come and break this low one more time for the fifth and final wave, but that'll just be like a leading diagonal. And then I think you're going to get a correction and then one more down. So first things first, I expect gold to come down and break this low, 1981. Oops. And at that point, then we'll take a look and see the reaction. But it should be, you know, break it and then at least come up for a correction and then probably one more down. Okay, silver. Yeah, so silver, been waiting for this final wave to come down because silver, I see this as being a running flat because this is clearly just a three-wave move up here. So it's like you got your A, B, and now C needs to come in 5 waves. And this needs to come and break that low there. So, and it looks like it might be starting just like gold today. So big sell-off in pretty much everything, equities too. So big sharp move, you know, so I think this move up could be done. And now, you know, it's starting that this sharp of a move. I mean, you're going to get soon, very soon, a correction, but you know, it should be coming down and breaking this low. And the closer it gets down here to this 22, 26 level, that's going to be perfect. So we're getting close there. Okay, that's what I see on the commodities. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps. Thanks for your likes and comments. Good luck, and see you in the next video.